how to buy a ticket on Ticketmaster. I'm going to tell you how to buy a ticket on Ticketmaster in 2025. First, create or log into your Ticketmaster account ahead of time and double check your payment information, email, and phone number so you're ready when tickets drop. Before the sale date, hit the event page and click Get Alert to receive a reminder text or app notification up to an hour in advance. 15 minutes before tickets go live, open the page on your laptop. Chrome on desktop is ideal. Then stay offline with one tab active to avoid bot filters and queue issues. Once the virtual waiting rooms open, join only once. Avoid refreshing or opening extra devices, or you risk getting blocked. When your turn comes, go straight for best available or use the seat map. Have backup sections planned so you can move fast.